Hello YouTube, how are you all? Today is a DIY for face wash. Yes, an anti-acne face wash using the Liquid CASTILE Soap and some other organic ingredients, that is natural ingredients, chemical free, very natural, good for all skin types, sensitive skin type, dry skin type, oily skin type. This is a very safe face wash for all skin type, and it could be used both morning and night for proper cleansing of the face. Now introducing you to my ingredients of production. We have the Liquid CASTILE Soap, which is the star of the formulation. This is it. And then we have the Liquorice. Yes, it's a lightening face wash. So there's the Liquorice. Now the Liquorice is responsible for lightening. Now it brightens the skin. It also gives glow to the skin. Yeah, this is how the Liquorice looks like. This, I'm using the white Liquorice. There are two types of Liquorice, the black and the white, but I'm using the white Liquorice for this formulation. So this is for brightening. Then I have the sandalwood. Yes, this is sandalwood from the product of Himani. Yes, sandalwood is very good for the skin. It evens out skin tone. It brightens the skin, and it has an exfoliating feel because it's a little bit rough. Yes, and then we have the cinnamon. It's an anti-acne product as well. Yes, it's very good. It fights against acne. Then I'm using some essential oils. Today's essential oils of choice for my face wash is the rosemary essential oil, coming from also Himani brand. It's the rosemary essential oil. This rosemary essential oil is very good. It tightens the pores of the skin. It's anti-aging, and it's very refreshing for the skin. Very healthy. I like to use it for any product I'm trying to for firming of the skin. Yes, so this is it. Now don't forget, it's an anti-acne face wash. Of course, we can't do it without our beautiful and amazing tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has all the amazing benefits of antibacterial that fights against acne. So this is it. Our base for making this is the Liquid CASTILE Soap. So starting the production. Alright, starting production. I have my clean cup sterilized, of course. Then I have a quarter cup for measuring, and then I have my spoons for measuring spoons, and then I have my spatula for mixing finally at the end of all the mixtures. Okay, starting with the Liquid CASTILE Soap, I'm going to take a half cup of the Liquid CASTILE Soap. Now I'll link down below my video on how I made my Liquid CASTILE Soap. Yes, I have a video for it. So that's it here. So this is it. Liquid CASTILE Soap in the cup. Now I go straight to my sandalwood powder. Now I'm going to take half teaspoon full of my sandalwood powder. Now this sandalwood powder is even going to help give your face wash an exfoliating feel. Yes, now I'm taking my Liquorice. Now my Liquorice too, I'm taking half teaspoon of Liquorice. Now you could reduce the quantity depending on your skin tone. Yeah, if you don't want to lighten too much, maybe you're a dark skin tone and you don't, in fact, if you're a dark skin and you don't even want to lighten the skin at all, then you could skip the Liquorice. Yes, just skip the Liquorice. You could, if you like, you could substitute the Liquorice with maybe turmeric. Yes, at least if you don't want to lighten your skin. Then I'm going in with cinnamon. Now cinnamon too, I'm taking a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm taking quarter teaspoon of the cinnamon powder. Yes, right, it is. Okay, now moving on to the oils. This is a very simple face wash to make. It's very direct, it's very straightforward, and it's very effective. Now this is my tea tree oil. Now I'm going to take a 1/4 teaspoonful of our tea tree oil. Yep, this is it. In it. Now this face wash is suitable for all skin types. All skin types. All these are friendly oils. I'm not using any heavy oil here. Now I'm going in with rosemary. Now the same thing, we're using 1/4 teaspoonful too of our rosemary oil. I've always enjoyed using the Himani oil. It's not too harsh. It's just okay and safe to use. So it's something I've worked with and I really enjoy it. Now this is what we have here. So we're just mixing everything together. As you can see, just mixing everything together. Yeah, now this is not so much quantity, so I am using my spatula to mix. But if the quantity was this much, I'd have used my hand mixer, but because this is not much, I just decided to use my spatula. So please, if you're new to my channel, like my videos, share my videos, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell so that you always know each time I upload a new video. Now this is it, our anti-acne face wash, the lightening face wash. You can see it. Can you see the mixture? Can you see it? Very straightforward, very direct. Alright, after proper mixture, I get a clean container, yeah, and then a funnel to put it inside for easier. I love this face wash. It's so friendly and suitable for all skin types and all weathers, with friendly essential oils. That's what I love about it. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. See you in another video. Bye.